In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop saving browser history in Google Chrome. You can delete your browsing history, but Chrome can still save your browsing history. To completely stop it, click on this PC. Click on Local Disk C. Click on Users. Click on the folder that contains your computer's username. Here, we have to find a folder named App Data. This folder is usually hidden. To unhide it, click on View. Tick the option named Hidden Items. Here, you can see that the App Data folder is visible now. Click on the App Data folder. Click on Local. Click on Google. Click on Chrome. Click on User Data. Click on Default. Now scroll down and find the file named History. Right-click on History and select Properties. Change the attribute to Read Only. Click on Apply and OK. Let's close the window and launch Google Chrome. Now, let's search for something. If I open the history window by pressing Ctrl+H, you can see that there is no saved history for what I have just searched. This means Google Chrome can't save your browsing history anymore.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.